When only profiled parts are bent and a continuous tool is used in the upper beam, any number of geometries can be bent with a single tool set. With these kinds of parts, there is no tool change necessary as programs are switched from job to job. Since folding machines have a folding beam that moves to a programmed angle, both acute and obtuse angles can be bent with a single tool. With multi-sided components, a tool change can be necessary. This is done with different levels of ease in accordance with the machine model and the frequency of the tool change. Often, tool changes are limited to the tool segments found along the working length of the machine. For machinery frequently used for craftsmanship work, RAS tooling uses an eccentric quick-release system. For industrial applications, an automatic clamping system is used. The tooling is changed manually and placed into the clamping system. Once the machine is turned on, the tooling is automatically locked. When it comes to small lot sizes or tall and heavy tooling, an automatic tool changer should be considered. The tool change takes place simultaneously as the machine operator prepares and positions the blank. The tool changer grippers can also grasp, change, or place the tools along the bending length into the magazine storage area. Complex components on automatic bending centers often require a tool change within the bending sequence itself. Therefore, the focus for just such an application is on rapid changeovers. Even with a manual tool setup, the changeover is typically completed within 2 to 3 minutes. This is because the tools do not usually have to be switched out, but rather transferred or shifted aside. Tools not immediately needed can simply be left along the sides of the working area. With such quick setups, folding technology is ideal for short runs, even with a lot size quantity as small as 1.